Hey there, students. Mr. Wolf here. Hope you had a great 3-day weekend. I'm looking forward to hearing about some of the things you did in the next couple of days. Right now, I'd like to take a few moments to actually look through our schedule. Now, we're doing things a little bit different in this unit, as you probably saw on Friday if you saw the update. We're going to be breaking you guys into groups, and those groups are going to be concrete. They're going to be groups that you stay with through this unit and maybe even further into this semester. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at that just so you guys are oriented, you guys know where you need to be. So, if you're not sure what group you're in, you can go ahead and click here, or even the links that are connected to these groups to see the document that has your name on it and which group you're in, okay? Now, on Monday, I'm going to be meeting with some new students. We actually have some new students that are going to be coming in, so from 8:30 to 8:50, I'm going to be meeting with them. I'm going to be orienting them with Schoology and just how things operate and where they need to go to access things, getting them all set up in teams and that sort of thing. So if you are new, that's where you want to go. If you're among the students who've been here before, please don't go to that meeting. That's just for those new folks, okay? Now, from 8:55 to 9:15, I'm going to be meeting with my red group. And again, make sure you know what group you're in so you're signing in when you need to. And then from 9:20 to 9:40, I'm meeting with my blue group. So, to be clear, these groups are situated in such a fashion where I have them weighted out. Number of students that are in each group is about the same. And we're also going to be doing different things in those groups at different times. So with that said, please make sure you are going to the group that you belong in and at the time that we're meeting. Okay, this isn't one of those situations where I slept in and I'm in the red group, so I'm just going to show up in the blue group. I'm asking that you please remain within the groups that you are in, and if you do miss that meeting, we can have a conversation later. Otherwise, please just stick with the group that you are in. Now, on Tuesday, we're doing another meeting with our new students, just to make sure they're up to speed and also cover any extra bases we need. From 8:55 to 9:15, I'm meeting with the yellow group, and then from 9:20 to 9:40, I'm meeting with the green group. Now, if you are among the students who are not meeting with me immediately, everybody actually from 8:30 to 8:50 on Monday, what you guys can do is start accessing the asynchronous work. Okay, there's going to be a number of a document there starting out the kind of introduction for Seedfolk that you can start working on. So for those of you in the yellow group and the green group on Monday, you guys can go ahead and get started with that. Red group, you'll have a chance to take a look at it. You really won't be able to touch it too much. Blue group, you guys can start into it a little bit. So when it comes to Tuesday, my yellow group, I expect you guys are probably going to be mostly finished with it. You may not be all the way. And then my green group, I'm asking you guys to be as far through it as you possibly can, hopefully all done, so we can maybe take a few moments to talk about that. So that's going to be Monday and Tuesday. Now, going forward, we are going to actually stick with these groups, and we're also going to be doing a little bit more structured process. So what you're going to be seeing is we're going to stagger those things out. So my green and blue, or my blue and red groups will be meeting Monday and Wednesday, and my yellow groups will be meeting Tuesday and Thursday, and then Friday we'll kind of have more flex days, some check-ins, and maybe some catch-up days and things like that. So we're going to try and stick with that schedule through this next unit to make it a little bit easier for you. So make sure that you are accessing those documents, and of course if you have any questions, you do know where to find me. Again, just make sure you know what group you're in, where you need to be, and when you need to be there, and we will see you in the next couple days. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.